Many parents struggle with helping their kids identify and manage their emotions. In this video, I'll share 3 things you can do to help your kids become more emotionally intelligent. And stick around until the end because the last tip is my favorite. Hey there. I'm a psychiatrist and the author of 2 books for children and 1 for parents. My new book, Raising Emotionally Intelligent Kids, will be released in October. That's this month. And I'm so excited to share it with you. The book is all about teaching kids emotional intelligence skills. And if you have a teen, I think this book is perfect for you because it has all sorts of practical tips and tools that you can use right away at home. You don't have to wait until next week or next month. You can start tomorrow. So let's jump into those 3 tips. No, 1 is to teach kids to label emotions. When we're young, we learn the names of things in our world. We learn that this is a dog, and this is a ball, and this is a chair. And just like we learn the names of objects, we also need to learn the names of emotions. As adults, we can usually identify emotions pretty easily. We know the difference between feeling happy and sad or mad or scared. But for kids, they need us to teach them what these feelings are called. If you have a preschooler, they might not even know the difference between these 2 emotions. They might both be described as feeling bad. So when we teach kids the names of emotions, we're helping them organize their thoughts. And this is very important because when we can name an emotion, we're able to take a step back from the feeling and then manage it better. Try asking your child, "Can you tell me how you're feeling right now?" Or, "What emotion is this?" As you show them a flashcard with a facial expression. A great tool to help you teach kids to identify emotions is the Feelings Flashcard Deck. Each card has a different emotion and there's pictures and words. It's great for kids ages 4 and up. I've also included some sample questions you can ask your kids. If you want to get this deck, go to the website below. No, 2 is to teach kids how to experience emotions. Some parents worry about their kids feeling too many emotions. But the truth is, we all experience emotions. It's part of being human. The goal isn't to avoid emotions, but rather to teach kids to experience their emotions fully and healthily. One way we can do this is to model emotional expression ourselves. Kids learn by watching us. So if you show them that it's okay to express your emotions, then they'll feel more comfortable doing it too. Also, help kids explore their emotions through movement, art, music, drama, and stories. There are so many ways to express emotions besides talking about them. For example, you could dance like crazy to show how happy you are, stomp your feet to show anger, or draw a picture of a sad face when you're feeling down. If you're looking for creative ways to help your child process emotions, then check out my book, The Emotion Wheel. It has activities that connect kids to their emotions through art, music, drama, and stories. Now, 3 is my favorite, and that is to teach kids to feel good. We want our kids to feel happy and positive emotions, and there's nothing wrong with wanting that. But sometimes parents try to protect their kids from ever experiencing negative emotions, and that's not realistic. Life is hard. Sometimes we get rejected or we lose things or people we care about die, and all of these experiences cause pain and sadness. So instead of trying to protect our kids from these feelings, we want to teach them how to experience them in a healthy way. One way we do this is by showing them how to use negative emotions to make positive change. For example, if someone takes something that belongs to your child, help them identify that emotion, label it as anger, and then problem solve. How can they get that item back? Or if they see an animal that's been abandoned, help them process that sad emotion and then work on a solution. Maybe they can volunteer at a local shelter or donate supplies. Teaching kids to use negative emotions to make positive change is a huge part of emotional intelligence. And I talk all about it in my book, Raising Emotionally Intelligent Kids. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you found most helpful. If you'd like to learn more about teaching kids emotional intelligence, join me on social media. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can find the best toys at the website below.